seriously. Of course, power outages could be a problem.
There is no power in the town tonight.
We're worried about that tidal flooding in other areas.
They want everybody who doesn't have a reason to be outside inside their home.
A lot of homes are being flooded. Businesses are closed. It's safety at all costs. Don't make journeys unless absolutely necessary. Don't take risks on treacherous roads. Stay in, stay warm if you can.
It's a jungle in here. I am nature's arm. Her spirit. Her will. I am Mother Nature. And the time has come for plants to take back the world so rightfully ours. Because it's not nice to fool with Mother Nature.
Guess who's back in the house? Heels flip black in a bow. Fine fresh feminine down to 11. I'm divine, so heavy, ladies and gentlemen, sweating it's down. Across the board, no doubt. Body like wow. She better need this trap. Tennis so beautiful, this should be Jezebel, should be criminal. Don't make sense for bitches to be listening down. Rock to the side, what is that sound? Watch me drop into the ground. Wait for the floor, drop to the floor. Add up the 10 to get the score. I've been that bitch, yes, I love that line. Cause you feminine up and coming. From the Clintons to the Obamas, I keep it tight. Now they call me
Mother Nature.
Bitch, I love that drama. Fishy feminine up and coming. From the Clintons to the Obamas, I keep it tight. Now they call me
Mother Nature. Men, the most absurd of God's creatures. We give you life, and we can take it away just as easily.
I'm that glamazon. They know my name because I'm on another echelon. This automatic supersonic, I'm a Sassatron. And I ain't looking up to anyone, the cam's alone. And I'm ready to shake the jelly when the jelly's on. The kind of thing that all the folks with the fancies on. I'm only getting out of bed, 20 minutes on. I get your camera phone, cause in a minute I'm about to be on. Here comes the Mac, oh shit, what I get. That's well, that's the brand I'm crossing. Blood your mouth, she's the big shot calling. Get run over.
Gotta go. So many people to kill, so little time.